we could say that assembly language is a more human readable form for the machine language, which means that every instruction or every line of code in the assembly language has a direct one-to-one mapping to the machine language. And since we said that machine languages are processor specific, so the assembly language would be also processor specific. Also, because well, every processor would have its own instruction set architecture, so from processor to processor it may differ. What I mean is that a program written in the assembly language for one processor may or may not get executed for other processors. Now there are two main syntaxes for the assembly language. One of them is AT&T and the other is Intel. So in here, if I go to just bin directory, as we were for the past couple of lectures, and in here if we go and say obj dump to just dump the to just disassemble the nano program in here and pass it to the more and it enter, this is the AT&T syntax. And in here if I just say again obj dump, but in here change the format or syntax to Intel and then just disassemble it again, this would be the Intel syntax. We are going to work with this syntax because in the Intel we have a lot of other signs like $sign in here, percentage and other things. So this is the Intel where you see a lot of different signs, and this is AT&T, and this which is simpler is the Intel. In the Intel that we are going to work with, actually the main difference between them other than these signs is that in the AT&T in here, for example, in one command it would be, this would be the source and this would be the destination. But in the Intel, this would be the destination and this would be the source. If you pay attention again, you see that the first command means that subtract 8 from the RSP in here, while in the second one, and also save it in the RSP, which is the destination in here. But in the Intel, it says after the subtraction of the RSP of the value of 8 from the RSP, then save the result in the RSP. So it would be just the destination in here and source in here.